What's up, YouTube? Happy 4th of July. Got a little garage time. So I picked up, what is this? Frost Kings rubber foam, which I don't know how well that's going to work. And then this is M-Seal VersaSeal for like metal roofing and stuff like that. Universal metal roofing. So I already did one side. I forgot to film it. So the roofing stuff is really nice, thick, super tacky. Here's the lighting better. Foamy stuff that I am going to put here because it used to have shit like this that came up. That was probably just like whatever vinyl, kind of rubber, kind of like this stuff here. I don't really feel like trying to find it and then do metal staples like I used to have. So far, this stuff here protrudes enough, and I did that fender there. And then for the light bucket here, I used skinnier stuff because I thought this would have more, but it doesn't. So let me stick it on. Let me show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. Nice, thick, foamy contours to the bends, really nice. Nice and sticky. So I figure since this is rated for metal roofs and whatnot, it should be pretty good for under the fender for thermal seal, sound, insect, and won't shrink or dry out, so it says. I think it was like 15 bucks or something. As for the headlight, I may use what's left of it, which might be enough to do one light, or go back to the Frosty King. But yeah, there it is. One fender's already on, somewhat bolted on. It's all coming together. Anyways, people, let me get the fender on. Okay, let's try time lapse. Already. Ta-da! That's it. Screw in here, which should fall off. Looks like I'm going to need to go find some the fender's on, people. It's stupid hot in here. It's close to 100. So, ta-da! We're getting there. So, happy 4th of July. Have fun. Try not to blow yourselves up. And until next time, peace out.